All of everybody when them get it, them get taken. All of everybody when them get it, them no want it. All of everybody when them get it, them get taken. Go look your size and see a little picnic.
Boarded up. What do we have here? Sting 88. We're Ninja Man, Flougon, and Radigan and Red Dragon. Red Dragon, look out for his performance. But yeah, round one, everyone just get into the groove, sing a song, you know, get the crowd active. Yeah. So listen now, we're gonna watch and enjoy and get back to it.
So that's saying now, love them to the maximum, down to the one. Supreme massive all time. Mix it us and pep to us. Come me say, is it crowd of people? Me say, is it no man from crowd of people? Is it no man speaking spooky? Me with one. Tuna the must me know me can't rank. Style pattern. Pattern. 3 from 4 left 1. Some say first, but at them 1 second until lost tuna demon. Jam. Tuna demons at the microphone stand. Style pattern. Tuna demons with talk and stop. Them a talk about talk and stock, and then talk and buck. Tuna demons, some dog them get blocked until us tuna demons. The work, jungle is massive, gone to work. Crackdown massive, gone to work, and the tongue crack massive, and to work. Garden massive, gone to work. Fuck up, and set up. Up. And next DJ come down.
Oh, yes. Well, I shall go to that deal with it before the start come long on. Watch it now, come, me ball old time dancing, come back again. Some flower got your way, must sit up again. Old time dancing, come on, some flower got your way, must sit up again. Body down, check out and make it bump somebody. Janita bounce for the one Susie bounce for the one Beverly bounce for the one RJ. Bounce a girl with a tired body. Put up your one if you love the daddy. Flower can come to make your eyes a bounce massive, come on, all time dancing. Well, but
a time for to tell Mr. Manley and Siaga so right now I fuck with them I talk about. You understand? Cause the politics thing now go here. And remember, out of every nation in the world, black people are the smartest one, and unless we unite, we don't have the world in our hand. But through the liquor pussy, well, the man and segregation, they talk about politician. Hear this ghetto people picnic. Come in, Saji. It's like this. Black people, look at it. Lord of mercy, people living on free food ticket. Not a money in my pocket, not a send me no have, but how me I gonna do? Politics about you, it's about you. You know we're living in the land of Jamaican people. I gotta get the order of a family meant to fight against politicians. We make we live as one. That's why we just not gonna love it, not gonna love it. Go tell them not gonna love it, not gonna love it. A PNP shot a live right, not gonna love it. Live right shot a PNP, not gonna love. That's why I call it to the prime ministers and leaders of the opposition. Tell them followers, we want peaceful election. Lord, I guide color to the citizens of this little island. Tell them come, let's live together, living in the love of the one. That's how we does. Now go love it, now go love it. Go tell them, now go love it, now go love it. That's the people in the jungle. Now go love it, I jungle mother in the valley. Now go love it because Ninja Man come to tell everybody politics that I live for free. Here Ninja Man with reality. In a Jamaica from me a baby, me never hear say see I got some Papa Manley, never hear say Manley, talk down Eddie. But yet we a go fight and that a impact cause they come and repeat out it just the politician them. So the pussy was a way of them and not afraid. Beat out, why? I tell you must not run down what you can't manage. So come search it. I know we come different. Hear me and live in your living. Lord of mercy, mercy, mercy. And I just got into you know side. Lord, some gyal all
have it loving and when they get it, them no want it. I love it body and when them get it, them get taken. I love it body and when they get it, them no want it. I love it body and when them get it, them get taken. Go look your size and see a little picnic. You this a grow ear, but you put on it. Girl, we are 10, I look man at 20. Look how me big thick and look how me healthy. Look how you little girl and look how you tiny. How you want to sit up on me body. You must see want me to mash up your
All right. So my takeaway from this is Ninja took it. Yeah. But Flourgon in go on with a bag of things. But Red Dragon, anywhere in there, he deserve handcuff. Kind of song that. Of all the ages you could sing about, you choose to sing about a 10-year-old or child. Brother, Jamaica have a serious pedophilia issue. It's like it's enrooted in our culture. Messed up. But anyways, look out for part second, or the second part of this highlight, or this video of Sting 88. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bless.